Hello guys, so I'm here at Dubai Creek Harbour, and you can see here the view. It's really amazing. It's the Burj Khalifa view and some other buildings. I set up my camera here, as you can see, and I will take one long exposure shot and we'll see how it comes. So if I can camera here, you can see the view. uh, I will try to uh, take this shot and let's see how it comes. So I'm setting up my camera, and as you can see here, I set up on time, so I will do my custom timing. Like if I want to do for longer than 30 seconds, so I can do that. And the other thing, I will set the f-stop until like f22, because I'm planning for longer time. I set up my camera. It's 64 ISO and f-stop is 22, and I will now press the shutter very slowly. Okay, yeah, so my focus point should be here on the Burj Khalifa. It will be in focus, and now I will start it. So now it's starting, so I will check the time. Maybe I will leave it for 1 minute or maybe further than that, and let's see how we can